This kind of news is showing up more and more on TV.
Earlier this year, we shared a story about the growing epidemic of overseas online scammers.
And let's face it, nobody is truly prepared for the consequences of falling victim to an online scam. Losing hard-earned money, dealing with anxiety, and feeling frustrated. Spotting an online scam before it's too late is incredibly challenging, and most people struggle because they don't know where to start. The resources out there are often overwhelming, expensive, or just too generic, and that's why we created the 5-day Internet Scam Spotter course, an affordable, step-by-step program designed for everyday internet users. No tech jargon, no IT skills required, just practical tools to help anyone avoid online scams and protect what matters the most. In just 5 days, anybody will gain the knowledge to identify online scams with relatable examples, clear lessons, and actionable steps. Plus, it's the most affordable option available, so anyone can join without breaking the bank, so don't risk wasting time or becoming a victim of online scams. Enroll now and start learning today. Choose wisely. Click to get started.